I know at first glance, I don't think you'd believe me if I told you that this is actually a light. This is so cool. This is like the perfect camping light because as you can see, it is super small when you're not using it. You can fold it up. It even comes with this little bag that you can put this in, and you can easily put this in any backpack. You could probably even just like shove this in your pocket if you need, although that'd probably be uncomfortable. But this is really, really cool. So check this out. So basically you have a few different ways that you can charge it. As you can probably see right here, you've got this really nice solar panel right here. So you can leave this out in the sun and it will fully charge this. It does also come with the cable where you can actually plug this in if you do have a power source, which is great. The other cool thing too is that you can actually right here, it's closed. You can open this up and it comes with it. You can actually use this as like kind of a last resort if you needed to charge your phone or something. This of course is not going to charge your phone from 0 to 100, but you know, if you're stranded somewhere and you just need that little bit of juice to get your phone going, this will definitely do the trick. So this is also waterproof, which is really cool. Definitely why it makes it a really great camping light to bring with you. So let me show you actually how it works, because we are going to inflate this, which you could also have this as like floating, which is really neat. So this opens up like this, and it does come with this little pump, and I'm trying this for the first time. I believe this just kind of goes in here, and then a couple little pumps, and then we're gonna get this going here. So it doesn't take much, which is nice. I wonder if I even like, I don't think, no, because the way the valve is, I was wondering if I could actually like blow it up with my mouth, but I don't think I can. I should probably wait and let this actually inflate. There we go. I was like just being too rushed with the pumping up, but as you can see, it only takes a couple of really good pumps. And then let me close this, and then super simple to operate. You just have your power button here. So I'm gonna go ahead and then check that out. Obviously right now I'm filled with lights around me, so it is hard to see actually how bright this is, but it is quite bright. Like this is very surprising. You have a couple different settings. So this is the brightest. This will bring it down a notch. This will bring it down to the lowest. And then this one, maybe, you know, if you need kind of like a little SOS, like hey, I'm over here, you know, I need some help. And then we will click that again, and then it is going to turn off. I think that is really great. This right here are actually magnetic. So I'm just gonna kind of bring you over here with me. So for example, if you were somewhere, and then as you can see, like I would hold it on like the 2 magnetic points, but it is, you know, magnetized, which I think is really cool. You also have this little loop right here, and you have this, like you can hang this up inside a tent, and then you can just have that kind of light coming down, which I think is really awesome. And then I haven't tried to deflate it yet, but I think you just have to push this button right here in the middle. Oh, hold that button, and then all of that air comes out. You could obviously fold this, and then that air will come out, and then everything packs very nicely in this bag. I think this is great.